I get attached to you easily. Attracted to you in ways I can't explain. I only want your attention, to be honest. I care about you more than you think. I think about you more than you realize. I appreciate you more than you'll never know. No words are amazing enough to describe how fantastic you make me feel. You're the first and the last thing on my mind each and every day. I just love you so much. Kinilig na siya.
Wag mo, bro.
Ano naman ba? Ano bang sabi ko? I don't wanna assume na ako yun.
Di pa nga nag-assume.
Hindi pa nga nag-assume.
Pero agong.
Ay!
Hindi siya nag-assume, pero siya agong.
Ay! So, ayun. Ano po ba? Ay!
Ay,
Grabe si Carla.
I got attached to you so easily.
Ay!
Attracted to you in ways I can't
Ay!
explain. Grabe, guys.
That's
Ay!
pure love.
That's pure love na, guys.
Ay!
Pero walang amin, guys. Walang amin.
Kitagong? Wala kami.
Kaya nga, sabi ko nga sa live, di ba ba't agong na tawagan nila pero walang umaamin? Parang it doesn't make sense.
Parang medyo contradicting.
Mm.
Or, Sabagay, ano bang ano natin dyan?
Ano ba, sabi dito, I care about you more than you think.
Ay!
Ikaw ba, sino sa palagay mo ang mas nag-care sa inyong dalawa?